Hello everyone, I am Anjali Arora and today in this video we are going to talk about the golden rules of success. We will cover up the 4 golden rules in this video today, and guys, these are the major rules of success which will surely help you to be successful in life as well as will make the path towards success so easy for you. Now what are these golden rules? We will surely talk about them in just some time. And guys, one more thing I would like to tell you here, that is success is not going to have a proper definition. For every single person there can be different definition for success. For someone to reach at a particular level can be being successful, but for some other person it can have a different destination, and it can vary from time to time or place to place or person to person. So there is not a particular definition, there is not a particular level, there is not a particular let's say stage or time to be successful. At every stage, at every point of time in your life, you can set the goals. They can be the small ones, they can be the big ones, but whatever goals you are gonna set, they can be short-term goals or they can be the long-term goals. Some of the goals you can set which you can achieve just in few days or even within a day. But some of the goals can be there which will take some time, which will take months, which will take years, and that's how, guys, if you are gonna set your goal, you should know the first thing, that is how much time it will take. Okay, you should have approximate idea about it, because that will be one major thing in setting a goal and in achieving it. Clear? Now next thing is why it is important to have rules in life or to know about the rules to be successful. Because guys, then you are gonna have a clear idea about this thing, that what are the things you need to improve on and which will help you to achieve what you are targeting for. What is your goal? What is your aim? What is your destination? It will help you to reach there. Clear? So these rules will be very much helpful for every single person. Whatever is your goal, whatever is your target in life, it will surely be helpful for you. Now let's talk about these 4 golden rules which I'm going to cover up in this session today. And guys, the word epic will represent the 4 golden rules of success which we will cover up in this video today. What E is representing here, let's talk about that. So E is gonna show empower. Clear? So you need to empower yourself if you want to be successful in life. Why? Because guys, once you will empower yourself, you will gain more knowledge, and that is something, your empowerment. You are gonna have clear idea about the things. You are doing efforts to gain knowledge on everyday basis. You are taking control of the things in your life. You are growing every day. So that is the empowerment. You are taking the decisions which will help you to be successful, to get closer to success. So that's something related to empowerment, and basically all these decisions which you will make to be successful, to grow, okay, and every day you are learning something. So that is even the part of empowerment. It's not only about learning by reading books or just by gaining knowledge from one particular source. It can be the empowerment in all ways. Everything will be included in this. It can be learning new skills. It can be learning something new in life, which is taking you closer to be successful and to achieve your aim. So the epic word E there was representing the empower yourself. Clear? And I hope every single day now you will work for it. You will work to achieve it. Clear? The aim you have made, okay, the goal you have set for yourself to be successful. Now let's talk about the second alphabet. That's gonna be P. What P is representing here, that's practice. So the knowledge you have, just don't keep on thinking about the things. Instead of just keep on thinking about them, take actions. Use that knowledge in the practical ways, okay? Like if you are learning some skill, use it. See how it's gonna work, how it will help you to get the outcome, how it will give you the result. So what you need to do, you need to practice, okay? and applying the knowledge whatever you have gained till now, it's very, very, very important. Clear? Because then only you will be able to know about it, how effective the things are once you will practice them. So it's very important. Now let's talk about the third one, that's gonna be I. What I is representing here, guys, let's talk about that. That's gonna be intrinsic motivation. Clear? So that is very important, because if you will keep on searching about the external motivation, which means you keep on asking others how to stay motivated. Maybe you will ask to two persons and both of them will give you the different reply. They will tell you about different things. They will give you different suggestions. And then if you will ask to the third person, he or she will tell you about the other thing. And that's how you are just working on what they are telling you. You are not thinking what will work for you, okay? So think about these type of things, why it is important for you, why you have set this as your goal, why achieving it will be the success for you, okay? Because there will be some reason if you want to achieve it, if you are going to work for it, if you have set this thing as your goal for the life right now at this present moment and the time. So why you have set that as your goal, as your aim? Then there will be some reason. Think about it and start enjoying that process of working for it to achieve it. Because once you will start enjoying that process, once it will seem interesting to you, you will surely work for it. For example, if I'm going to talk about this thing, if we watch a movie, we don't leave it if we are finding it interesting. Nobody is telling us that, okay, sit and watch it. But still, sometimes what we do, we just spend our 3 hours, okay, to watch that movie and just to like get to know about it, what actually is gonna be there in that movie next, like what will be there, what will be the end of the movie, or we just think that we may learn something from this one. Clear? So there are gonna be thoughts in our mind which help us to stay there, okay, and to watch it, to spend our time for that. But at the same time, if you have set a goal, you should know why it is important, why you have set it as your goal, and you should have the intrinsic motivation for that, which means you don't need somebody else who will tell you that, oh, do this because of this reason. No, you are having your own reasons to just achieve that particular thing. That's why you have set it as your goal. You should know what actually was the reason when you have started it. Clear? Why you want to achieve it. And once you know that, start just getting the interest in that process, okay? Start enjoying that process, and that intrinsic motivation will be there. You will not have to go and search for the external motivation. You will not have to keep on asking to others why like I'm not able to do this thing even if it is important for me. And if this is the case, even you know, when you know that it is important for you, it's not for you. You should get that done. Clear? So intrinsic motivation is something, find the things interesting, and when you will have that motivation from inside, you will surely find the things interesting and enjoy doing the things. Clear? Now let's talk about the last one. That's gonna be C. That is the fourth rule of success. So that's gonna be having confidence. You may have heard about it, okay? Fake it until you make it. So basically, if you are not having something right now, but you will have confidence, so in that case, what you will do? You will be able to have that feeling that it's okay, even if you don't know about it right now, at least you are working to get or to achieve it. You will achieve it soon, okay? Until that point of time, you don't need to feel low all the time. Since you are working for it, have confidence. Just say, even if I'm at this level right now, I can grow every single day, and I'm gonna reach to that level where I will be having perfection in this particular task. I will have like more clear idea about the things. Okay, this is not the end of the life. This is not the end of the day. Okay, like maybe end of the day, but again there is gonna be a new day next day. Clear? Now the point is, you should have that confidence, and that is a like very important rule in life, as well as you can say to achieve any goal. Okay, it's very important to be successful in life that you should have confidence. And the big reason of failure in different things is lack of confidence. Yeah, overconfidence is not at all good, but having confidence is very important. Clear? Trust on your decisions, whatever decisions you are gonna make. Know what you are doing is correct. You are trying the best from your side, and that's what you can do. And then after that, even if somebody else is saying you can't do this, it's not your your cup of tea, okay, or it is something which is very difficult, say it's something I can manage to do, okay, I will work for it, I will give the best from my side, and that's what will help me to achieve it. Clear? And if you will keep on working for something, you will surely be successful. If you will stop working for the things, then there are few or rare or very less or no chances that you will get it. Why? Because you have stopped working for it, because you have just left the hope for achieving it. Clear? And don't do that. If something is important for you in your life, you should keep on working for it, you should keep on trying to achieve it, and if you will do that, you will surely achieve it. So guys, to have confidence, what you need to do, think before you make a decision. Clear? That is even important. Why? Because if you will think before you are gonna make the decision, you will surely have the clear idea about the pros and cons of making that decision, and that's important to know. Clear? I hope guys all these 4 rules of success will help you to be successful, and you all will work on them. The first one, E, was for empower yourself, P for practice, I for intrinsic motivation, and C for confidence. So you just need to carry these 4 things, and you just need to work for these 4 things in that direction which takes you towards your success or the goal, and you will surely be successful soon in life. Now guys, at the end, I'm just gonna let you know about one thing. That's gonna be, if you are preparing for the CSIR Net Physics exam preparation, and even for many other exams, we are gonna have many courses going on by the top educators on Unacademy Plus. Then guys, in that case, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription if you think you want to get the guidance by the top educators, you want to attend the well-structured and well-planned courses by the top educators, and along with that, whenever you are proceeding to take the subscription, you can download the Unacademy Learning app, or you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google, and that's how you'll be able to check it out. Clear? And the another thing is, whenever you will take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. No space in between, and spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it, and you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount after just applying this referral code. Okay, and there are gonna be many courses going on right now, as well as in upcoming days many new courses will start for the CSIR Net Physics exam preparation, as well as for different other exams. Okay, and guys, if you think you want to prepare, you want to get the guidance by the top educators, and you want to know about the important strategies, you want to learn the important concepts, then it will be a good decision for you to take the subscription and to start your preparation from now, and it will surely help you to take your preparation to a very good level in life. Done? Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for watching it till the end. I hope everything will be clear to all of you guys, and if you will have any questions, any queries, you can surely let me know about that. Along with that, if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you everyone for watching it till the end. Thank you.